Okay, this is the PSS stitch. So it says it's worked over 2 stitches where you purl 2 together, knit 2 together, and purl 2 together into the same 2 stitches. So you got 2 stitches, purl 2 together, knit 2 together, purl 2 together. Now you've gone from 2 to 3 stitches. So the next step is on right hand needle, pass second stitch from tip over the stitch closest to the tip. And now you've gone back to 2 stitches. So again, purl 2 together, knit 2 together, purl 2 together, and pass that second stitch over the one closest to the tip.